So methanoic acid also call it as a formic acid. General name, common name it is. Next, ethanoic acid, the most important common name. Most important common name.
Acetic
Next,
acid.
entire chemical properties about this acid only. So ethanoic acid also we can call it as, everybody,
Acetic acid.
acetic acid. Note it. Clear? Next, N is equals to 4. So what is that? Anybody can tell? Ethanoic acid over. Next, what acid will come? 3. N is equals to 3. So what is the acid will come? All of you? Propanoic acid. Next one, butanoic acid. So let me write the structures also. So prop means 3 carbons. So single bond CH2. So last carbon I will write C double bond O single bond OH. Purima ellame. Understood amma? Girls, how to write it? OH. So here you see, this is also coming at the last. That is why it is saying a terminal functional group. It can be terminated at the end. Only ketone is alone is call it as a non-terminal functional group. Remaining all the functional groups are terminal functional groups. Okay. So what is the name? That's all it is. So here also. So you can write the formula. What is the formula? All of you. C2H5, C2H5, COOH. Please remember that. This is also same. Or else they can write CH3, CH2, CO, CH, COOH. So both are correct only. Don't get confused. COOH, CH2, sorry. Here, CH3, CH2, COOH directly. So do you understand everyone? Clear? All of you? Yes, please. So that is what you have to remember. So any formula can ask in the exam unless you know the common name, unless you know the IUPAC name, it is not possible to draw the structures. So structure is only always very, very important. Okay, in exam also that only they will ask you. So next butanoic acid, what will happen? 4 carbon. So I will take CH3, CH2, C double bond O, single bond OH. I think again 3 or 4 carbons are 3 carbons only. So I will add one more carbon. So 4 carbons are there. So 4 carbons means what will happen? Here I will add it one more carbon. So CH2 single bond, double bond O, single bond OH. So now it is perfect. So can you tell me what is the name of that? Everybody. Butane plus oic acid. So what is the name of it? All of you?
Butanoic acid.
Butanoic acid. Note it. Butanoic acid. Clear? All of you? Clear? And what is the common name? All of you listen. Common name is butyric acid. Don't get confused. This is the common name. Butyric acid. Propanoic acid also we can call. Where is your written propanoic acid? So this 1 year they asked, guys, you don't believe. I think 2 years before they asked. This is the IUPAC name. IUPAC name. And the common name is, note it, propionic acid. Both pronunciation look same. So don't get confused. Propanoic acid and propanoic acid. Propionic acid, also call it as a propanoic acid. It is IUPAC name and this is a what name? Everybody. Yes, please. What is the name, guys? Common name. Propionic acid. And butyric acid also we can call it as a butyric acid. Butyric acid. At least N is equals to 4. You all need to learn without any doubt. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Are you clear, everybody? All of you understand, Amma? Yes, please. Then everything is a homologous series only. Everything is a homologous series. You can answer it. Okay. And one more important thing I want to say now itself, let me write it first. Haloalkenes, write it all the functional groups one place. Haloalkanes. So haloalkanes means what is the first family member? You take it. You take it as a chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, whatever it is, doesn't matter. What is the functional group? First, it will start from where? Everybody. Methana, propana, butana, pentana. Where it will start from? Everybody.
Methane.
Methane. If everybody, chlorine is added, chloromethane. Bromine is added, bromomethane. Iodine is added, iodomethane. Understanding? So that is what you have to remember. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Are you clear, everybody? Yes, please. So then listen. So chloromethane, next homologous series, tell me. Chloromethane formula, please. CH3Cl. Next, one CH2 increase, nothing to learn new things. So CH3, CH2Cl. Next, one more CH2 increase. CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. See how simple I am writing. Nothing to worry about it. Then this formula I can modify it like this. C2H5Cl. No, I have done change. Next one, 1, 2, 3. That is what? C3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. H7Cl. Ellame understood, Amma? Yes, please. That's all it is. So very simple. Chloromethane. Next one is what? Chloroethane. Am I right? Chloroethane. Next one is what? Chloro. Respond. Chloropropane. Chloropropane. Next one. Chlorobutane. At least everything learn up to butane. Okay, everyone? So write it. Chlorobutane. So chlorobutane formula solunga ellame. What will happen? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Cl. Over. Any doubt? Anybody can ask me. So what will happen? C4H9Cl. Understand, Amma? No response at all. Okay. So that is what it is. So everybody, all of you remember, all the functional groups are same. Just if you know the first family member, we have to add what, guys? Just one CH2, I have to add it for next family member. That's all it is. So no other. But everything, all the things, what is to call? Everybody, there is a name for it. What is to call it as? What is that call it as? Homologous. So they're having a same general formula, but different physical properties. That's all it is. So have a glance. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. So if you learn this now, haloalkenes over. What is the second functional groups? Everybody. Alcohols. So alcohol starts from where? Methana, ethana, propana. Everybody. It will also starts from methane. So methanol. Next one is what? You say means okay. It is a what? Ethanol.
Ethanol.
Next one.
Propanol.
Yeah.
Propanol.
Propanol. Next one.
Butanol.
Butanol. So what is the formula? CH3OH because alcohol is OH. Purimama. Next. This one. One CH2 increase. CH3, CH2OH. That's all. So then you can write it as a combined one, C2H5OH. Yes, please, respond, everybody. Understand, Hari? This is very important. This is only they'll ask in exam. Propanol, one more CH2 you have to increase. That's all. Purivama, everyone. Sorry for that. CH3, CH2, one more CH2, COOH. CH2COOH. So what is the name of this? Anybody? 1, 2, 3. C3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7. What else next? C3H7. C3H7. What else, guys? Sorry, propanol I have done mistake, I think. One more CH2 cannot come. Am I right, Amma? 3 carbons are there. Yes? So that is what? C3H7OH. Next one. Butanol. What will happen? C4H9OH. That's all. Nothing is there. So every time, how many? One CH2 has to be added. So other than that, no worry about anything. So that is what you have to remember. Write it, everybody.
Sir, in propanol you wrote for carboxylic acid. Only you had to add OH, right?
Yes, sorry. Just a minute. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2OH. Am I right, Ari? Now clear?
Yes.
So now it will come what? C3H7OH. Okay. Next one, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. So what is that, everyone? Yes, please. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So C4H9OH. Okay, Harry?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So do it, everybody. My common names and the homologous series is very, very important. Just guys, you remember, only you have to replace one CH2 has to increase. Okay. Hasini, am I right? Ethanol is only two only ethanol. CH3, CH2OH. Okay. Understand, Hasini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next, aldehydes. Aldehydes means what is that, everybody? Aldehydes. Aldehydes. Everyone has to remember. What is the first carbon? Aldehydes also starts from where? Only ketone starts from N is equals to 3. Please remember. Ketone, other than ketone, everything starts from meth only. So please write that point and remember. So what is the first functional group of methane? Aldehyde. Methanol or methanaldehyde. Next one is what? Everybody. Ethanol. Next one is what? Propanol. Next one is what? Butanol. Okay. So that is what. So what is the first methanol formula, please? Methanol formula. Hydrogen HCHCHO. Second one. CH3CHO. Third one. CH3CH2CHO. Next, butanol. Formula, tell me, everybody. CH3, you say means correct, it will come. CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO. So, these are the aldehydes, homologous series of aldehydes, and you all need to learn at least up to butane. Everything, remember, up to butane, Kandipa. Seriously, you all should learn for every homologous series. Understand, Mr. Johan, Harini, Sanjay? Very, very, very important. Aldehydes. Okay. Next, ketones. So ketones, methane, it will start or not will start? Everybody. Ketones. No kind of methanol and ethanol. It will start from where? What is the first compound? Everybody. It will start from N is equals to 3 only. So please remember CH3CO, CH3. Next, propane is the first family member. Next, butanon. Do you understand it? Butanon means CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay. So that's all. So you can write it, whatever it is. Or front also you can write. Here CO and here CH2. Your choice. CH3, CH2, CO, CH3. So butanon over. Next one, everybody, what? Pentanol. Understanding? So pentanol, you write it. CH3CO, CH2, CH2, CH3. So keep it in mind, without every time one point you have to remember in your mind. That is what carbon has to satisfy how many bonds? Everybody. Carbon has to satisfy how many bonds? All of you. Yes, please. You forgot it. Nobody.
4 bonds.
4 bonds. So hexanon, what will happen? 6 carbon. CH3CO, CH2, 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 CH3. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over. So this is what is hexanon. Propanon, butanon, pentanon, and hexanon. So my request is that ketone will never be existed. Methane, that is what? Methanol and ethanol. Okay, minimum number of carbons, how many must be there in the long chain for ketones? Everybody? 3 carbons, and carbon double bond O has to present for between that. That is what is the most important one you have to remember. So ketone is over. So ketone is over. Next, what is the last one? Carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid. So you all know, once again I'm saying, so in this one will be there in our board exam. So out of these functional groups. So what is the first carboxylic acid? What is the first acid? Everybody.
Methanoic acid.
Methanoic acid. Next one. Yes,
Ethanoic acid.
ethanoic acid. Next one. Propanoic
Propanoic
acid.
acid.
Propanoic acid. Next one.
Butanoic acid.
Butanoic acid. Note it, everybody, formulas. Other than this, not required. Methanoic acid, HCOOH. That is what. Next one, CH3COOH. Next one, CH3CH2COOH. So this one I can write it as a combined one. How it is, anybody? C3H5 COOH. Ellame okay? You understand, Amma? Yes,
Sir,
please.
C3H5COH means 4 carbons.
Oh, C3 or C2? C2, sorry. Okay. C2H5COOH. Next, butanoic acid, C3H7COOH. Okay. You understand? Yes, please. Otherwise, you can write CH3, CH2, butanoic acid, 4 carbons. So CO, CH3. Sorry, COOH. Sorry for that. So you can write CH2, CH2, COOH. That's all. So I can write this one as C3, H7, COOH. That's all. Write it, everyone. Any doubt, anybody can ask me. Okay, everybody, clear? Harish, Hitakshri? The structures is very, very important. Exam based upon this only you'll be. Okay. I hope everybody clear. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. And one more thing I want to say in the alkanes. So as we studied in our environment chapter, CFC, chlorofluorocarbons. Also, we can call it as a difluoro, note it, everybody. Difluoromethane. Okay, difluoromethane. And what is the structure, you know? Fluorine. 2 fluorines and 2 chlorines. So that is why it is called it as a, yes, please, difluoromethane. So I want to say you this one from the long back. That's why I'm saying you now. So means all the 4 hydrogens is removed and two hydrogen bonds. That's what? 2 bonds of carbon with the fluorine, two bonds of carbon with the chlorine. That's why it is named difluoromethane. Do you understand, everybody? Yes, please. All of you. Respond. So this is what is about all the functional group. So my sincere request is that whenever you are free, so you have to learn all the functional groups. Then as you have a tomorrow exam, Saturday, Sunday and Monday's class. As it again Tuesday exam, Saturday, Monday and Sunday and Monday, most probably will finish the chemical properties of carbon compounds. Maximum will try to complete the syllabus. Okay, guys. I hope, let me see how much we'll do it, and we'll meet in the tomorrow's class. So kindly proceed, start working, don't go to the bed now. So again, start working and prepare it. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.